For the true help you got.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is an interstate case. Ms. Doring was not required to be present for this. And Miss Etifue, what are we doing here?
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a partially agreed, a partial agreement with the only issue being child support and retro. Mr. Harper, can you please state your full name?
Whitman Maurice Harper.
Sir, a copy of the state's petition was sent to you via email, is that correct?
I didn't get it, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, the state would like the court to take judicial notice that Mr. Harper is present today.
So noted.
Sir, are you willing to establish that you are the father of Noah, the child at the matter today?
Yes.
Okay, so you're not requesting DNA testing.
No, ma'am.
And the child and the mother live in Germany, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And health insurance is provided through the mother in Germany
Yes, for free. Yes. Yes,
for
ma'am.
free. So you're in agreement for the medical support to be set at 0 because medical support is free in Germany, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you are a military vet who is disabled, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you receive disability in the amount of $3,877 a month.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have one other minor child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The state is asking for child support to be set at $657 a month starting February 1st, 2025. Are you in agreement with that?
No, ma'am.
You are asking for child support to be lowered?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are you asking for child support to be set at?
300 if I can.
And why do you believe that the court should deviate from the guidelines?
I get paid once a month. I'm total and permanent disabled. So I don't work. My bills are gone. My money's gone. I already paid child support $600 for my daughter, and I have no other money. I have nothing after my daughter. So, yeah.
Retroactive child support was calculated for 4 years in the amount of $34,164 to be paid at $221 a month beginning February 1st, 2025. Are you in agreement to that?
I can't. No, ma'am.
Are you in agreement to pay retroactive child support?
If it's the 200, yes, I can pay that. Yes, ma'am.
So you're in agreement to pay the retroactive child support at $221 a month. That's the retroactive child support, not the child support going forward.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you're asking the court not to grant retroactive child support, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Has there been family violence between you and the mother in the last 2 years? Has there been acts of family violence in the last 2 years?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any safety concerns with your phone number and address being in today's court order?
No, ma'am.
And court costs are billed to you today. Are you in agreement to that?
No, ma'am.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Harper, have you given her any money to help support this child?
I haven't even seen my child. And
Those are my question.
No, sir, I haven't. I mean, before when I was living in Germany, yes, but since I moved here, no.
Okay, when was that?
I moved here in 2020.
Okay. But so financially you haven't supported this child at all?
No, sir, I have not.
Do you have an address where you could have sent money?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay. Will the military increase your pay if you have child support or anything like that, or a new obligation because you have a new child today?
With that being, he has to be. I have to get him his American passport and everything like that, and I can't do it. So they won't increase it because I don't have a social for him at all.
They might if you have a court order, because this order is going to legally establish that you're the father. But I don't know about the details of it. Miss Etifue, was the 34,000 based on minimum wage, or how was that based on?
It was based on his disability.
Okay, the 3877.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, making a finding that Mr. Harper is the biological father. We're making a legal establishment that he's the biological father and has a duty and obligation to support his child. Mothers to carry health insurance. Medical support is set at 0. Mr. Harper, I understand things are difficult, but I cannot lower your child support just because you don't like it or because you have other bills. I have to have some basis for it. Your child support is going to be $657. If you didn't give her the mother any money in the last 4 years, I've got a credit. I have to charge you for back child support. I don't know why you haven't given her any money in the last 4 years or more. So I know it's a large balance, but you haven't supported the child in any way in the last 4 years. So entering a judgment of $34,164 to be paid at $221 a month until paid in full. Court costs bill to you. The Attorney General's office will draft an order. They'll send that withholding order to the military to take it out of your check beginning in February. And that'll be the order of the court. The Attorney General's office will email you a copy, and that way you can review any further terms of that. You're done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.